When we set out to develop a new teeth whitening system, we looked at other products on the market. We wanted to better understand where people have difficulty whitening their teeth. And we discovered what the biggest issues were. They take too much time, they're messy, they're uncomfortable, not easy to use, and the sensitivity could be awful. I've whitened my teeth for over 20 years using everything from strips and trays to visiting the dentist, so I understand why people get frustrated. I've been there myself. Love Your Teeth is powerful because it uses Allo White comfort technology. The application process is simple and only takes 10 minutes. The swab applicator allows you to directly target problem areas. This combination of advanced Allo White comfort technology and simple targeted application means less sensitivity. No more strips, no more trays, and no more waiting 30 minutes to an hour every day just to see results. Love Your Teeth is a new concept in teeth whitening, and the best part is, in only 7 days, we can give the average person 7 shades whiter teeth. We believe everyone should be confident with their smile, and in only 1 week, we promise you, you will love your teeth.